Melody Tower, let's do this, guys. First up is easy, guys. Let's go to easy, guys. Also, that is so easy, guys. I should just being a troll, guys. I should wanted to just beat this game, guys. And also, I wanna be a pro. Okay. Yeah. And also, wait again, I can just, bruh. Bro, I cannot, unbelievable. 4 out of 10. Next, this one, guys. Okay. We should now able to do this, guys. We're going to able to do this. At 10 out of 10. Oh no, this one's hard. Come on. Whoa. Huh? Bruh. Oh my god. Bruh, you know what? 6 out of 10, guys. 6 out of 10. Okay, next game. Next game is Tower. Next is Update Tower. Beautiful view, Blue Tower. This one is easy. This one is easy. Wait, what happened? What's that happen? What's that, guys? Bruh. Nah, 0 out of 10. So next is this one. I can win. Wow, yeah. Oh, come on. What? What happened? Bruh, I hate this. Come on. Bruh. Nah.